Well, Tiffany, this is such a beautiful building. So how long have you guys been entertaining the folks here of Lubbock?
So we opened the hotel in 2018. Definitely a unique idea to do here in the building. So originally it was the Lubbock Hotel. It was a 5-story hotel. Back in 1950, we added a few, they threw on a few extra floors and made it 11 stories. And then in 2007, we started remodeling the building and we have actual residents that live here. So it's not just a hotel.
So on top of the space and the different residents you have here, what else makes this Pioneer Pocket Hotel unique?
So it is definitely one of a kind. The cool thing is it's ran by you. So it's electronic. You're kind of your person. You do your check-in, you do your check-out. We don't have any on-site staff. Each room is themed differently, so when you go online, you can actually pick your room that you stay in. So you actually say, hey, I love the Texas Tech Chancellor room. I love tech, let's stay in the red and black room.
How many different themes do you have?
So we have 10, each one of course similar to Lubbock local things like cotton and we have everything memorable that would bring you to Lubbock.
Right, and so let's talk about the different amenities because you do have a lot to offer here.
Right, as you can see in the lobby, we definitely have a restaurant called the West Table. We also have the brewery, which is owned by Cameron West and his affiliates. It's definitely a unique jive and a unique atmosphere that you won't get anywhere else. People say they do staycations because they can come down here and feel like they're not in Lubbock and they don't have to leave.
That's so awesome. How about we go check it out?
Yeah, I'd love to show you guys.
Yeah.
Come on in, guys. This is our 301 Legacy Suite.
Oh, how cool! How beautiful! So big.
This is our largest suite. 2-bedroom. It's helped spacious, more for families or for groups that want to have multiple people stay. The couches also pull out, so you can throw in another, guest if you needed to.
Perfect.
This is our historic suite. Come on in.
Oh, historic suite, huh?
This is awesome.
Oh my goodness, how nice. These bedrooms are huge, fit for a queen. Oh my goodness, I'm in love. Well, if you need space, this is the perfect place. Whoa, I love it.
I love all the Texas Tech stuff.
I'm gonna sleep a Bobcat and come out of here leaving a Texas Tech Red Raider. I love all the different touches of all the years of playing football here and all the memories that were made right here in Lubbock, Texas.
Definitely, we definitely stay true to our Texas Tech roots.
So let's talk about both the establishments that you operate here.
Sure.
The West Table first. What inspired the menu?
So Chef Cameron, so he went to culinary school in Napa Valley in California. At that point in time, there was a lot of chain restaurants here. There wasn't a whole lot of things that were really, I guess you would call them chef-driven restaurants, things that were kind of farm to table, things that really utilized local ingredients. And so that's something that we wanted to really bring in here to Lubbock.
But you also have the other building right there,
Yes.
hop, skip, and a jump away. You
Right.
have the Brewery LBK. So
Yes.
tell us the secret behind making you guys so successful and stand out above all the rest.
We just like to brew what we like to drink. We wanted to do something that would provide a lot of cohesion with the restaurant, a lot of synergy. And so here we are.
I know Jill's actually standing by at the
Great.
bar right now. She's going to taste some of that. But I want
Awesome.
to take a look at the menu and see what you guys have to offer. More from the Pioneer Pocket Hotel when YOLO Texas returns. What do we have in front of me? And tell me the inspiration behind the menu.
Well, the inspiration behind the menu is kind of seasonal, local whenever possible. You eat with the season. When it's hot outside, you want to eat something light and bright. Yeah. So that's kind of the direction we went. I like to play on fun dishes like the goat cheese croquettes that's right in front of you here.
Goat cheese?
Goat cheese croquettes. It's a fancy cheese stick or cheese ball, essentially what it is. I decided to do a goat cheese, breaded and fried, and then we do a jalapeno raspberry jam.
Yeah, it's a little upscale mozzarella stick.
Absolutely.
Okay, so what do we got here?
And these are crab hush puppies. So everybody likes a fried hush puppy, right? So
Yeah.
we folded in some crab into it. It's served with a house remoulade sauce. It's one of our #1 sellers. And I learned this from a chef a long time ago, and we've done a lot of different things in it. And crab just kind of where we landed, and it's worked for a while.
I love the crab twist to a hush puppy.
Right now we're doing a grilled bob white quail.
Okay.
So we did it over the grill, cooked it nice, good char marks, salt and pepper, real simple. The idea is the vinegar and the tomato juice soaks into the croutons or torn bread. It gives it a little texture. And
Well done. Quail done. I did it.
That's
good. It came to me.
Sally, Brewery LBK is known for their craft beers. How many different craft beers do you have here?
We have 11 craft beers and a couple lemonades, hard lemonades that we make in-house.
Okay, how about we try some of those?
Let's do that. Okay, so let's start with the lemonade. Our hard lemonade is 7%, and this is a blueberry, but we do change the flavor every week.
It's a little tart, it's sweet though at the same time.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Okay, and then how about, what is your most popular beer?
Right now in the summer is the Broadway and K, and that would be the next one.
Ooh,
and it's a
this
really
one.
light, crisp Kolsch, actually, a German-style beer.
Very light. I
Yeah,
like
that's
it.
kind of our gateway beer for people who aren't familiar with craft beer, and so it's closer to something you might find commercially while still, being a craft beer. You like that one?
I love this.
All right, good.
I like how light it is. I'm glad
Yeah.
I'm glad we started with that.
Yeah, we're starting and we're kind of going from
Yes.
lightest down to heaviest, so we're gonna get to the big ones pretty soon. Yeah.
What's next?
Okay, our Doc Chilton. It's tart, bunch of lemon, still light.
I can taste the lemon a little bit more in that one, but still a light beer, very refreshing.
Yes, very refreshing. We sell a lot of that during the summer.
What's next on our list?
Okay, we're gonna go for the big one next, and this is a curb crawler. This is a Belgian triple that's named curb crawler.
Okay.
10.7%. So it sneaks up on you. We serve that one in a slightly smaller pour, as might be understandable.
So don't chug this one right
you
away.
can totally chug that one if you'd like to. Yeah,
Okay.
just get a ride home. Next is probably another one of our most popular beers, and this is called Lieutenant Dan. It's a New England style IPA, so it's hazy, no bitterness, just a bunch of hop flavor on the back. And it was named after Lieutenant Dan because the hops that we purchased go towards the Wounded Warrior Project.
Wow,
That's where the
that's
name came from.
awesome.
Yes.
One of the more special craft beers with that special background.
Yeah, exactly.
That's very
We're going to
cool.
try to continue to make that one.
Yeah. And then last but not least,
The last is Social Justice Warrior, which is an Irish whiskey stout. So it's got some vanilla, it's got some Irish whiskey flavor in there, but it's still a sturdy, chewy stout. And we're going into fall now, so that one is going to be really popular.
I can definitely taste the vanilla. I like this one a lot.
Yes.
Good. Very
Glad you
good.
like it.